Hello, my dear ladies. Hello, my dear gentlemen. Have you ever seen a meadow like this? This fantastic yellow of the flowers. No designer in the world can create this radiant yellow. And these flowers will be gone in a few days. Then the farmer will come to mow the meadow. Nature is magical. We always forget it. Yes, and I want to talk about nature today. Today, we're told that everything artificial is the best, the most beautiful. Think of cosmetics, and especially artificial intelligence. It scares me. Artificial is not human. To stay with cosmetics, for me, it's so absurd to do the natural look with makeup. It's called nude. So stupid. Women smear thick paste of pale nude lipstick on their lips, even though nature gave them the right color. I understand if I paint my lips pink or red, at least that's different from nature. But with this color, I emphasize my lips. It's also artificial, yes, but as a woman, I want to please with red or pink lips. But nude? Well, to each their own. Today, we say natural to artificial things. The zeitgeist is quite strange. I ask myself, who wants to convince me that it's artificial? Everyone has a smartphone these days, even children. Aren't these WhatsApp messages just as artificial? Why don't we meet like we used to, look each other in the eye, talk and laugh together, instead of clicking on a small device day and night? For me, everyone is alone. It's pure loneliness. Smartphones are a substitute for humanity. We should think about it, or it's already too late. But I have to say that I'm also grateful for artificial YouTube, that I reach so many people all over the world with my simple human channel. I know I'm different from the wonderfully artificial, perfect channels. But my followers are different too. And I'm very happy about that. To normal humanity, with all its flaws, mistakes are human. I wish you a humanly good day.